Good day. Sivabalan Pandian, the founder of Pandian's Marathon Academy, thankful to Mr. I. Kaundan, who started Muthu Marathon, the oldest, which will be entering 24th edition on 20th-21st February 2021. Herewith, I would like to share my experience of running marathons to each and everyone, which will be useful to them. Now, I am presenting the significance of running marathon for the students and other age groups. Here, in this presentation, there are 3 stages. Namely, why should we run a marathon of long distance? Second, how to prepare for running a marathon, mentally as well as physically. Third, advantages of running marathon. Indirectly, what we get out of running marathon. Here, now I start with the first stage. Why should we run a marathon of long distance? Normally, marathon means running 42.195 kilometers or 26.2 miles, which is an international standard. Second, here I want to mainly stress what happens to your body. Look, running 42.195 kilometers, somebody can do 3 hours, someone may take 4 hours, someone may take 5 or 6 or even 7 hours. So what happened to your body when you run for a long time? It is nothing but a cleaning process. It is simply a science. During, suppose 5 hours or 6 hours running, what happens? You are intaking oxygen. You are continuously breathing. So when you take oxygen inside your lungs, there is a purification of blood takes place. The exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place. The oxygenated blood is called as a pure blood, which is sent to all the cells of the body by the heart. Once every cell gets the oxygenated blood, the oxygen helps to burn, thereby liberation of energy, and at the same time the carbon dioxide will be evolved, which will be dissolved in the blood and again carried to the lungs with the help of heart. So a continuous process takes place where the blood is getting purified at lungs, going to the each and every cells of the body and thereby getting energy, and back to the lungs the impure blood, where it gives carbon dioxide and again the blood gets purified. So, in simple word, the purification of your blood takes place continuously for 6 hours in order to complete a full marathon. Okay? So, in science, the energy is continuously liberated and this energy is used to run to complete 42.195 kilometers. During this running process, I can say, the sweat is coming out, excretion takes place, and also the burning of calories. Simultaneously, many processes or chemical reaction is going on in your body. At last, purification of blood coming out, the dirt from your body, so the cleaning process takes place. Which I set it into your mind, in my mind, that running a marathon makes you to be fit and clean internally. Now, the second point, how to prepare to run a marathon, mentally as well as physically. See, mentally, how you will be motivated, that I wanted to show you some slides here. First, see Mr. Fauja Singh, who is now crossed 100 years, but still running a long distance. The second one, Mrs. Harriet Thompson. She was 2-time cancer survivor. But at the age of 92, she completed a full marathon. I came to know that she is going to run a marathon on 31st May 2015 at the age of 92 years. I wanted to take part. All the way from India, I traveled to San Diego, California, USA, and I ran with her that marathon. She was so great, and she did. She finished a marathon for the cause of Cancer Society. She was a charity runner and collected more than $100,000 for Cancer Society. Then secondly, another one important person, look at him, is Mr. Angelo, a mathematician who lives in Italy. I happened to run many marathons with him in the past. But one marathon I wanted to tell to everyone is the Rome Marathon. He was running, and I happened to run behind him initially. I was so much impressed. He was so confident in running with a smiling face. He completed a marathon on that day. Now come to Jennifer Smith. In the year 2019, in August, she was 346 pounds. But she accepted the challenge and completed a 42.195 kilometer in US. Now comes another good friend of mine. His name is Constantine in Boston. He is a one-leg man, the other leg with a blade. I ran 10 days, 10 half marathon. He did it in Orta, Italy. Of course, I was doing a full marathon. So he did half marathon. But 10 days, he was so confident. And next year, I happened to meet him at Venice Marathon, Italy. There he was taking a part for 42.195 kilometers. He was well ahead than me. But unfortunately, there was a very bad weather and heavy rain and storm, but he managed to finish the marathon. The seawater was coming under our feet, still running in the last 2 kilometers. Amazing. No, I wanted to tell you, a boy who is cerebral palsy. What do you mean by cerebral palsy? It is a group of disorders that affect a person's ability to move and to maintain his running posture. But he was trying to run few meters with me. It was an amazing experience. Also, I wanted to give you some other person names. Christine Portas. He has already completed 2,900 full and ultra marathons, as well as Sigrid Ishner. She is a female, she is now 80 years old. She had completed 2,200 full and ultra marathons. I happened to run 10 days, 10 marathon along with them. Now, another one result I wanted to give you. In the year 2015, the famous marathon called Tata Consultancy Service New York City Marathon. It is a famous one. In that year 2015, there were 49,000 runners finished them full marathon. I also ran. I could just complete less than 6 hours. But when I was running in the last 3-4 kilometers, I was surrounded by many females. I was shocked. So many females are around me. They were running towards the finishing line. So nice. Then after the marathon, I was checking the result. I was so much shocked to know that out of 49,000 finishers, 21,000 finishers are females. Around 41% of finishers are from gender female. I was very much impressed that females can also do a full marathon. But in India, it's not that extent. Hardly 10% of the females are finishers. Recently, I wanted to give one example of long distance running. The results are very much surprising to me. It was 24 hours stadium run at Mumbai on 7th February of 2021, organized by NEB Sports. There I saw the result. The topper of the finisher is a female. Her name is Preeti. She did 193 kilometer running with the sun on her head for 3 to 4 hours. It was 38 degrees Celsius, but she ran. But the second one is Parvinder Singh, who did 154 kilometer only. So look, a female is the topper of 24 hours run at Mumbai, India. So, by seeing all, what? Age is no bar, gender is no bar, and you have to train mentally that running a full marathon is not a difficult job. It is the easiest one. Even handicap can do it. Why can't we? So this is called a mental training. Secondly, the physical training. There are physiotherapists, there are coaches, how to train your muscles and running and all, like, there is definitely a program that in each and every city in India you will find the coaches for running. Now come third stage. What we get running a marathon? That is an interesting one. What do you get? Being a senior citizen, I would like to tell one thing. The fitness achievement. When you can run a full marathon of 42.195 kilometers, you will be 100% sure that you are fit. Secondly, there are n number of advantages which I have given a very limited time. So I cannot explain a lot of things, and I can tell one by one. First point, I already mentioned fitness. Second, fitness for evergreen. Second, the ability to do multitask work. You are mentally fit. So you can do any kind of complication, any kind of solving complication problems. Maybe with your job, maybe with your family. So in that case, your efficiency will be improved by 30%. Trust me. Also, while jogging, I used to do a lot of my personal work. I am a consultant. So I do a lot of my personal work while running, and I get 100% solution for that. I am always in positive mind. Third, I get a lot of friends. I started my first marathon at the age of 54. Today I ran 425 plus full and ultra marathon in 6 continents. I got a lot of friends in Italy, US, England, so many countries. And they helped me in running. Another point I want to say, I am 62. Do you think that I am old? No. I was not that active when I was 30, now I am much more active. In other words, it helps anti-aging too. I am not considering myself as old. So, running, especially from childhood, will help a lot. For example, students, if they train very well in school days, they can apply for defense, they can apply for police, CRPF, so many these things. Their running is one of the criteria for selection. So, I want to see the students, they may be a major, colonel, commander, commissioner, so many posts they can occupy, including sports ministry. So, running keeps you as fit, and it doesn't require any high level technique. Just move your legs and hand. You train by yourself. And it's the easiest thing to do in life. And you need not have a coach or something like that. You start slowly 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters, like that. Then you will keep on running. And you take part in many marathons, 10K, 21K and all like. So you will be always prepared. And at the end of the day, you will have a happiness. Touching a full marathon finish line, you will get a happiness worth $1 billion. I am sure. I wish all success of upcoming Muthu Marathon. Have a safe and enjoyable run. Thank you very much.